All right, friends, the beds are open. Everybody is kind of as I anticipated. There was a couple of question marks I had. Tweedia, which is right there, is alive but looks tough, may come back. A gorgeous bed of all the Sweet Williams. They're keepers. I mean, they're just the best. And this is a mixed bed. Everything, the scabioses, everything looks so great. And that little green patch you see down there, y'all, is bunny tails. We're fall planting that as a test. The snap bed looks awesome. And this is a snap bed at the end of the Rudbeckia bed. And they all look so great. I would say if you're new to cool flowers, Rudbeckia, Snapdragons, and Sweet Williams are just so hardy. They do really well. Those would be your test crops, y'all. Those would be the test crops. So we're off for a week of growing.